What is going on, conscious leader? Welcome to the Heaven on Earth weekly forecast here on YouTube. I'm your astrologer, the Leo Mystic, and we are here in the beautiful lands of Portugal. Normally I do it from Antwerp, but I'm assisting in this wonderful retreat here. Just have a look. This is where we're at. You can see the mountains down here. But let's have a look at the week of the 2nd of July until the 8th of July. As a matter of fact, I'm doing this right now with a solar eclipse new moon in Cancer. And we've had tough times. We've had big tough times where it was first Mars in Cancer, Mercury's in shadow period, which pay attention to what you communicate, and because you will have to revisit everything that started pretty much from around the 25th, 24th of June, 23rd of June maybe even, and until the 9th of July, I guess. That's when Mercury goes retrograde. I have to check my data exactly, but it's around that. So that's one thing, which, like, there's miscommunication happening. And then Mars in Cancer, which was about the suppression of our emotions. We were not fully able to express, to fully act, I would say. And because of that, we had so much suppressed anger. We had to learn how to communicate from more emotions and not being too opportunistic. And then we obviously had the moon closing in on the sun in Cancer, which created a dark moon in Gemini, and that happened on Venus. It passed over Venus. So that was the dark emotions, which we were with, Mars in Cancer already was like very, we can't really do it and we're angry. And now that moon in Gemini, we're like, we had to speak out the things we didn't like, the things that were so dark within us, and release all of that so that we can reset a new home. As a matter of fact, there is the sun, and in 15 minutes, it's going to be exact solar eclipse. You can only see it in Chile and in Argentina. But it's going to be a full release of our emotions, of what we define as the home. And everything that happened 18 years ago, everything that happened 2 years ago, solar eclipse there. But this is 18-year cycle of what we defined as a home. The North Node is a soul purpose and is going, in that direction, taking care of ourselves emotionally. What we define as a home, how to take care of ourselves, our emotions. And so this is a new reset. This is going to a next level because it is sextiling Uranus and Taurus. It's going to give you revelations, shocks, new unexpected events that if you dare to take the courage, because Mars is in Leo. It is finally, just 10 hours before the solar eclipse, Mars came in Leo to fully express all that suppressed anger that was inside so that you could fully take action upon it and go and release and blah. And that's why it's squaring over to that Uranus, so that you can fully feel that tension and release everything, all the clutter, to rise to a high new level. And Venus comes in Cancer 2 days later, which will be we're Tuesday today, so will be Thursday, and then it's going to be a balance in the feminine. very feminine yin, taking care energy. And Mars in Leo, expression, creativity. But with Mercury there. So beware of what you speak out. There can be cockiness, there can be ego, big time. So that's what we have to take care of. To not take things too far. And obviously we're dealing with a deconditioning of society, of old norms, of the ways businesses work, the way our societal structure is. And we have to learn how to deal with that. So it's intense. But treat yourselves with this new moon in Cancer. How do you redefine the home? And once Venus comes into Cancer, you can really feel, nurture, relax, enjoy. And those are the most important events for this week. Next week, we will be, well, on Sunday, we're still going to be in Portugal. And we will have time to record a decent video. Not like now. But thank you so much for watching. And I will see you next week. Much love. The Leo Mystic. Peace.